Kind of fire out here at the compound. I'm heading towards the source of the fire. Try to figure out what's going on. Looks like a bunch of people are out here. Trying to figure out what's going on with the fire. Alright, apparently those two boys that we saw earlier, they said they blew up their car out here. So that's the cause of the fire over there. That guy over there is already calling the police, so I'm not going to bother calling. I don't know if you guys can see this. There is a fire over there.
Yeah, fuck the other shot, bro. I got this.
I'm gonna move out of the road in case police show up. The boys who caused it have taken off. Well, seeing as to how this other guy over here has already called it in, I am not going to bother sticking around here. Go ahead and head out, but yeah, I was leaving the compound and I saw the smoke coming up. And it was pretty much those two boys that we saw walking by. I am going to go ahead and head out since the police and the ambulance and them should be coming here soon. So no point in sticking around. So I'm not quite sure exactly what happened, but I guess those boys were racing or something. And they set their car on fire. I don't know what they were doing. So these were the boys who did it. Alright, I thought you guys might want a little backstory. On my way out, I did see the police. So I pulled them over. Here comes more police and fire trucks and stuff. But anyhow, I bumped into a cop and pulled him over and told him what was up, what I know about it. So hopefully they can get the fire under control and do whatever they need to do, but that's what's going on. So the police are coming here now to investigate the situation. See all the police cars. They had the fire truck whizzed by, so they're gonna go and deal with the fire. As for me, I'm out of here.